Intelligent File Organization is an AI-powered feature in Files app. Open the Files app, select one or multiple folders or a combination of files and folders, then right-click and select Organize By. After clicking Organize By, select the desired categorization criteria: file name, file type, creation time, modified time, or file size. In this example, select File Type, then choose Organize Files by File Type for intelligent categorization. When using this feature for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to complete AI model authorization. After completing the settings, AI will automatically generate a preliminary organization plan. When there are a large number of files, you can switch the task to run in the background. After the preliminary organization is complete, you can freely adjust the plan on the preview page, including changing file storage paths, adding folders, renaming folders, and deleting folders. In the right panel, right-click a file to remove it from the plan. You can also drag and drop one or multiple files directly into the target folder. At the bottom of the page, set the duplicate file handling rule: skip, overwrite, or keep. After confirming the organization plan, click Move to Batch Transfer Files. When the task is complete, view the processing details and click Done to go to the corresponding directory and view the organized files. The access path for intelligent tagging is the same as intelligent organization. Select the files or folders you want to add tags to, and select the organization criteria. Using file type as an example, continue to select the organization method and choose Add Tags to Files by File Type. AI will automatically pre-assign tags. When there are a large number of files, you can switch the task to run in the background. After the tag pre-assignment is complete, you can adjust the tag plan on the preview page. In the left panel, you can add, edit, or delete tags. In the right panel, right-click a file to remove it from the tag. You can also drag and drop one or multiple files directly to the target tag. After confirming the tag assignment plan, click Add to batch apply tags to files. After the operation is complete, you can view the processing details and click Done to close the task window. All tagged files can be viewed centrally under Tags in the left sidebar of the Files app.